Hi friends, so today I will let you know how to add the company in eSSL software in desktop version. So चलिए चलते हैं बिना देरी किए हुए. Let me open the eSSL software. Okay, let's log in. Okay, so go to masters and click on company. Here we can add the company. Click on add like any company ABC. Services Private Limited, short name ABC, and visible to all. Email address, website name, you can put the name www.abc.com, and address as per your company address, you can put the address here. And logo, if you have, you can click on and then you can choose the logo from your desktop application, and then click on add. Okay, so we can, it is also compulsory the email address, like we can put the abc@gmail.com as per testing. So we have added successfully company ABC Services Private Limited. So this is the process we can add the company in eSSL software desktop version. So thank you so much watching the video. Have a good day.